President Donald Trump is pushing to acquire Greenland, a huge Arctic territory governed by Denmark, saying it's vital for U.S. security. But both Greenland and Denmark firmly reject the idea and insist the island is not for sale. Trump has now threatened tariffs on several European allies, Denmark, UK, Germany, France, others, unless they agree to U.S. demands on Greenland. Protests erupted in Denmark and Greenland, with thousands chanting, "Greenland is not for sale." A bipartisan group of U.S. lawmakers went to Denmark to calm things down and oppose Trump's takeover push, saying most Americans also don't support it.